To find Johnny's key growing information, hover over Growers Library in the main menu and select Key Growing Information from the drop-down. 4 crops are shown for each category. Click one or select View All to see more. Click on the product you would like to learn more about. Key growing information includes details related to planting, harvesting, storage, and more. Additional resources and related products can be found at the bottom of the page. You can also find key growing information using the site search bar. Simply type in the product you are looking for and click on the Key Growing Information link in the search menu. We hope you find this information helpful. Please visit our Contact Us page if you have questions or want to provide us with any feedback you may have.